Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, June the 10th. The time is 2 a.m. GMT approximately. So for today we are looking at the chart of the US dollar Swiss. This is a 60-minute chart. We can see we ended with 4 in the intermediate degree at 0.9540 and then starting to rally higher, and that will suggest that this rally is in a wave 5 in the intermediate degree, and within wave 5 it subdivides into 5 waves, and we are about to finish this first wave of 5, right? So this is wave 1 of 5. So once this is completed, we could see a 3 pullback in the wave 2 to correct this 5 waves rally here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then once we finish the three pullback, we can go up again as long as we stay above 95.41. So we can see we got a very nice subdivision. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diagonal, of course, because of the overlap. So that finished with 1. This is with 2, 3 swing, and we got very nice extension on the third wave. Looking at the Fibonacci extension here, we got more than 1.618 extension from the wave 3 right here, with this last boost with 5 of 3 in a diagonal. And then we got a wave 4. Then we already make a new high above this wave 3 right here. So as an alternate, we could have completed wave 5 here as well, and starting to do wave 2 anytime, because we already make a new high. So this high here doesn't need to be with 1 or 5. It could be your entire wave 5 already here, and then starting to pull back. But for now, we're calling for a little bit more upside extension within wave 5. But again, the alternate suggests we could see just wave 2 pullback beginning already. Okay, and the key is going to be this level. As long as we stay above 95.40 due to the 5 waves impulse rally from here, that we could see another leg up either in wave 3 or at least in the wave C, right? But because the 5 waves up here suggests we could see at least another leg up here. Zooming out on the daily, let's move this wave 4 right here. So if this is a 4, that will suggest this is your 3, right? So we're looking for the wave 5, which will eventually break above the previous peak here with 3, right? And this rally again, as we can see earlier in the 1 hour, is a 5 ways up. So again, either we have started with 5, in which case then we should be doing this, right? We should be doing that, in which we are ending with 1 here, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 like this, right? Like so. Or else alternate is that we don't break above 3 and we got like an ABC retest, C equal A, like this, and then fail and then sell off again. Now in that case, then this is no longer wave 4, right? I mean, then we have to adjust the count. But the bottom line is not necessarily trying to speculate which one, but very simple. Short term is that the idea is this rally looks impulsive. So it doesn't matter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside or ABC. It doesn't matter, right? Because of the 5 waves impulse, more likely than not, we should get extension higher again as long as we stay above 95.40. Even in the case of ABC, we should get a C leg on the upside as long as we don't break below 95.41 right here. Okay, so that's the update for today. And as always, if you want to get regular updates on Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can get the link to the trial in the description of the YouTube video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.